Looking for the best dash cams to buy in 2026? You're in the right place. In this video, we've carefully selected the top 5 best dash cams of 2026 based on video quality, night performance, reliability, smart features, and overall value for money. Whether you want a dash cam for daily driving, long road trips, or added security while parked, there's an option here for you. All product links are listed in the description below, so you can easily check the latest prices and details. Let's get started. 5. Wolfbox G900. The Wolfbox G900 Tripro is a powerhouse 4K mirror dash cam built for both everyday driving and serious outdoor adventures. Featuring the advanced Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, the front camera records stunning 4K 3840x2116 at 30 FPS video with exceptional clarity, vibrant color, and outstanding low-light performance thanks to its enhanced dynamic range. What truly sets it apart is the innovative bumper-mounted outdoor dash cam, delivering a unique front bumper perspective for superior terrain monitoring. Perfect for off-road and rugged environments, with a fully waterproof design for all weather conditions. This 3-channel system captures 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p bumper footage, while the rear camera's large 1.88 sensor and PureCell Plus technology redefine night vision clarity. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, seamless app control, convenient voice commands, and dependable after-sales support, including a 12-month warranty and pre-installed 256GB card, the G900 Tripro delivers premium performance, reliability, and ease of use right out of the box. 4. Pruveeo D90 4CH 128GB. Upgrade your driving security with this advanced 4-channel dash cam, featuring 4 FHD 1080p lenses that record the front, rear, left, and right sides of your vehicle simultaneously for true 360-degree coverage with no blind spots. The adjustable front lenses let you customize angles, while one lens can even monitor the cabin for complete protection. With time-lapse parking mode, ACC hardwire required, it records efficiently without draining your car battery. And built-in GPS accurately logs speed, location, and routes, perfect for insurance claims and roadside assistance. Thanks to built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily manage, download, and share footage through a free iOS Android app. The infrared night vision cabin camera ensures clear recordings day and night, while loop recording and crash lock automatically save critical evidence during accidents. Designed with no battery for heat safety and simple installation, this dash cam is a reliable, all-around solution for smarter, safer driving. 3. Terunsoul D016. Experience complete peace of mind on every drive with the Terunsoul Dual 4K dash cam, featuring Ultra HD 4K front and 4K rear simultaneous recording for crystal clear coverage of the road ahead and behind. With a 107 degrees ultra-wide front lens, advanced starlight night vision with WDR, and large f1.5, f1.8 apertures, it captures vivid details day and night. Loop recording with a built-in 128GB card, G-sensor collision locking, and one-touch emergency save ensure critical footage is always protected, while support for up to 512GB storage keeps you recording longer. Enjoy ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi with the free Terunsoul app for instant viewing, downloads, sharing, and wireless updates, plus built-in GPS to track speed, routes, and locations for reliable evidence. With 24-hour parking monitoring, hardwire kit required, easy installation, and an 18-month warranty backed by 24/7 support, the Terunsoul Dashcam is a powerful, reliable companion for safer, smarter driving. 2. Rove R2-4K Dual. Upgrade your driving security with the Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam, delivering stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording with ultra-wide angles to capture every detail on the road ahead and behind. Powered by the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it offers exceptional day and night clarity, enhanced by bright f1.5, f1.8 apertures for superior low-light performance. Enjoy ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi to instantly view, download, and share footage on your smartphone, plus built-in GPS to record speed, location, and routes for added evidence. Packed with advanced features like motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, supercapacitor durability, and a free 128GB microSD card, this dashcam also includes a custom 24/7 parking mode that keeps your vehicle protected even when you're away, making it a complete, reliable, and future-ready car camera solution. 1. REDTIGER F7NP. The REDTIGER F7NP dashcam is built to give you total confidence on the road, capturing every moment in stunning 4K front and 1080p rear video. Powered by the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, wide 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses, and WDR HDR night vision, it delivers sharp, balanced footage day or night. Perfect for commuting, road trips, rideshare drivers, and new drivers alike. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and the smart app, you can instantly preview, download, and share clips, while GPS data keeps track of your route and speed. Seamless loop recording, a free memory card, and 24/7 parking protection ensure you never miss critical moments. And the supercapacitor design offers safer, longer-lasting performance in all weather. Backed by an 18-month guarantee, the F7NP is a reliable, high-performance dashcam you can trust every drive. That wraps up our top 5 best dashcams for 2026. Whether you're looking for crystal clear video, smart safety features, or the best value for your money, there's a dashcam on this list for you. All product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and details. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and comment which dashcam is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.